You need to hear this if you're a crypto enthusiast. Chain Reaction's YouTube channel is your go-to source for the latest in crypto news, blockchain insights, and market trends. Imagine a world where you hold the keys to your own financial destiny. A world where you are not dependent on traditional financial institutions to manage your money. Instead, you have the power to control your finances directly from your smartphone or computer. No more banks, no more intermediaries, no more waiting in long lines or dealing with cumbersome paperwork. Welcome to the world of Bitcoin. A world where financial freedom is at your fingertips. Bitcoin is a digital currency, a revolutionary form of money that exists solely online. It is not controlled by any government or financial institution, making it a truly decentralized form of currency. It's like sending emails but with value attached. Imagine being able to send money as easily as you send a text message or an email. Bitcoin allows you to send and receive money anywhere in the world at any time, without relying on traditional financial institutions. Whether you're sending money to a friend across the street or a family member across the globe, Bitcoin makes it possible. It's fast, it's secure, and it's changing the way we think about money. Transactions are processed quickly, often within minutes, and the security features ensure that your money is safe. Think of it like this. Imagine sending a text message. It's instant, right? That's Bitcoin. Instant, seamless, and efficient. No waiting for checks to clear or banks to process transactions. No more frustration with slow and outdated banking systems. Bitcoin transactions happen quickly and directly between users. This peer-to-peer nature eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. And the best part? You're in control. You manage your own Bitcoin wallet and you decide how and when to use your money. No more worrying about banks closing, governments seizing assets, or hidden fees draining your account. Bitcoin offers a level of financial autonomy that traditional banking simply cannot match. Bitcoin puts you in the driver's seat of your own finances. You have the freedom to manage your money on your terms. But Bitcoin is much more than just a way to send money. It's a new way of thinking about and interacting with money. It's a global movement, a technological innovation that's challenging the status quo of finance. Bitcoin is paving the way for a new era of financial technology. It's about empowering individuals, promoting financial inclusion, and creating a more open and transparent financial system. Bitcoin has the potential to bring financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations around the world. And it's only getting started. The adoption of Bitcoin is growing rapidly, and its potential uses are expanding. So buckle up and get ready to explore the exciting world of Bitcoin. There's so much to learn and discover. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into how it works, its key features, and why it matters. We'll explore the technology behind Bitcoin, its security features, and its potential impact on the global economy. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of this groundbreaking technology and its potential to reshape the future of money. Get ready to embark on this journey into the world of Bitcoin. Every superhero has an origin story, and Bitcoin is no different. In 2008, in the midst of a global financial crisis, a mysterious figure or group, using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, released a white paper that would change the world. This paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, laid out the blueprint for a decentralized digital currency. But Satoshi's true identity remains a mystery to this day. Was it a lone genius, a group of cypherpunks, or even a government agency? No one knows for sure. And that's part of what makes Bitcoin so intriguing. It's a technology born from anonymity, a testament to the power of ideas and the potential for disruption. Despite the mystery surrounding its creator, Bitcoin quickly gained traction among tech enthusiasts and libertarians. They were drawn to its decentralized nature, its promise of financial freedom, and its potential to upend the traditional financial system. What started as a niche experiment has grown into a global phenomenon, with millions of users and a market cap in the trillions. The story of Bitcoin is still being written. And while we may never know the true identity of its creator, one thing is certain: Satoshi Nakamoto's creation has sparked a revolution. A revolution that's only just beginning. Imagine a financial system without a central authority, one that's controlled by the people, for the people. This isn't just a utopian dream, it's a reality that's unfolding right before our eyes. That's the promise of decentralization, a revolutionary concept that is reshaping the financial landscape. At the heart of this transformation is Bitcoin, and it's at the heart of what makes Bitcoin so unique. Unlike traditional currencies, which are issued and controlled by governments and central banks, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network. This means that no single entity has control over the Bitcoin network. Think of it like the internet itself. No one owns the internet, right? It's a vast, interconnected web of information. Similarly, Bitcoin is a network of interconnected computers called nodes that work together to verify and record transactions on a public ledger known as the blockchain. This distributed nature makes Bitcoin incredibly resilient and resistant to censorship. Because Bitcoin is decentralized, it's also much more difficult to manipulate than traditional currencies. Governments can't print more Bitcoin at will, and they can't censor transactions or seize accounts. This makes Bitcoin a truly global currency, one that transcends borders and political boundaries. It's accessible to anyone with an internet connection, regardless of their location or political affiliation. Decentralization is a powerful concept, and it's one of the key reasons why Bitcoin has gained so much traction. By distributing power among a network of users, Bitcoin is creating a more democratic and equitable financial system, one that's open to everyone, regardless of their background or beliefs. This democratization of finance is not just about money. It's about giving people control over their own economic destiny. It's about fostering innovation and encouraging participation from all corners of the globe. Bitcoin is more than just a currency. It's a movement towards a more inclusive and fair financial system, one that empowers individuals and communities and paves the way for a brighter, more connected future. Section 4. The Art of Mining. Creating new Bitcoins. You might have heard the term mining thrown around in the context of Bitcoin, but what does it actually mean? Bitcoin mining isn't about digging up digital gold from the ground. Instead, it's a process by which new Bitcoins are created and transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. Here's how it works. Specialized computers called miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems. These problems are designed to be difficult to solve, but easy to verify. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain, and they're rewarded with newly created Bitcoins. This process, known as proof of work, is what keeps the Bitcoin network secure and prevents fraud. Because miners have to expend real-world resources, electricity and computing power, to mine Bitcoin, it becomes very difficult for any single entity to gain control of the network. Mining also plays a crucial role in controlling the supply of Bitcoin. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist, and the rate at which new Bitcoins are created is halved every 4 years. This limited supply is one of the key factors that gives Bitcoin its value. Section 5. Limited Edition. Why Scarcity Matters. In the world of collectibles, scarcity often translates to value. When an item is rare, it becomes more desirable. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for something that is hard to find. This is why you see people going to great lengths to acquire limited edition items, whether they are vintage toys, rare stamps, or antique furniture. A limited edition sneaker or a rare comic book can fetch a hefty price, precisely because there are only a few in existence. The fewer there are, the more people want them, and the higher the price they are willing to pay. This phenomenon is not just limited to physical items, it extends to digital assets as well. The same principle applies to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold because of its scarcity. Just like gold, Bitcoin is mined, but instead of physical mining, it involves solving complex mathematical problems. Unlike traditional currencies, which can be printed endlessly by governments, Bitcoin has a fixed supply. This means that no matter how much demand there is, the supply cannot be increased. This is a stark contrast to fiat currencies, which can be devalued by excessive printing. Only 21 million bitcoins will ever exist. This cap is hard-coded into Bitcoin's protocol, making it impossible to create more. This built-in scarcity is one of the key features that sets Bitcoin apart from traditional currencies. This built-in scarcity is one of the key features that sets Bitcoin apart from traditional currencies. It's a fundamental aspect that many investors find appealing. It's also one of the reasons why many investors believe that Bitcoin has the potential to become a store of value, like digital gold. They see it as a hedge against inflation and a way to preserve wealth over the long terms. Think about it this way: if there's a limited supply of something and the demand for that thing increases, its value will naturally go up. This is basic economics. The law of supply and demand dictates that when an item is scarce and in high demand, its price will rise. And it's one of the reasons why Bitcoin has experienced such dramatic price appreciation in recent years. As more people become aware of its limited supply and potential as a store of value, the demand for Bitcoin has surged, driving up its price. Of course, the price of Bitcoin is also influenced by other factors, such as market sentiment, regulation, and technological advancements. These elements can cause significant fluctuations in its price, making it a volatile asset. But its limited supply is a key factor that underpins its value proposition. Investors are drawn to Bitcoin because they know that its scarcity is guaranteed. Bitcoin is a scarce digital asset in a world of increasingly abundant digital information. In an era where data is generated at an unprecedented rate, Bitcoin's fixed supply stands out. And that scarcity gives it the potential to become a valuable asset in the years to come. As digital assets continue to grow in importance, Bitcoin's unique characteristics may make it a cornerstone of future investment portfolios. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Chain Reaction's YouTube channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching.